Oh, yo, dude, what the fuck? Not cool, man. Told you there's chemicals in there. Let me see it. Here, take over.
I just ate this shit. Is that bad?
Yeah. Obviously.
Just look at you. Ready?
Yo, let me see it. Yo, don't even do that. That's not even cool, dude.
Oh, dude.
Maybe we should do. Let's light a fire. Put it out.
Alright, dude, let's do it.
Alright, ready?
Not in the road.
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude, that's it. It's fucking. Alright, right here. Let's burn this tree. Here.
Yo,
You light the fire, dude. We'll just take turns fucking burning on fires.
Are you kidding?
Danger!
Danger!
Here. Let me see that lighter.
Yo, that's a lot of fucking smoke, dude. You can still see it. Wow. Yo, this car, dude, stop this car. You're fucked, dude. You're fucked, dude.
No, we're just using this.
Yeah, just got new ones for the year, so just
We're using up the old ones.
yeah.
What?
But